Welcome to Furoshiki tutorial. Many environmentally conscious people bring their own shopping bags to grocery stores. Next time, bring a Furoshiki. Furoshiki is better because it takes very little space when you fold it, and it can fit in your pocket or your purse. Unlike shopping bags, it opens flat and it has no bottom or corners, so it accumulates less dust and debris. And if it gets dirty, you can just toss it in a washing machine and keep it clean. The easiest and simplest way to carry grocery is this. Just pretend this is a grocery and tie opposite corners into a square knot and tie the other opposite corners, tie into a square knot, and that's it. That's the easiest and simplest way to carry groceries. Let's say you bought a lot of groceries. So much so it takes 2 large shopping bags to carry all these groceries. I'm gonna take these pretend groceries out. If you use a Furoshiki, you can carry all these stuff all at once. This Furoshiki is 30-inch square. Let's put all these things in the middle. Okay, so this is what you want to do. You take 2 corners from the side and make a small square knot. And make sure you tie it correctly so it won't come loose during use. Take the other 2 corners from the other side and make a small square knot. Again, make sure you tie the square knot correctly. And that's it. This is how you can carry a large load using just one Furoshiki. You can carry amazing amount of things using this technique. I want to see more people using Furoshiki instead of shopping bags. I recruit you to be an ambassador for BAGSTITUTING. If someone asks you why you are using a piece of clothes instead of shopping bags, please say I'm BAGSTITUTING. And if you are willing, please share this video on your social media platform. Thank you and happy BAGSTITUTING. And make a small square knot. And make sure you make a and make a small square knot.